Welcome to the Sage 50 and Sage 50 Cloud Anytime Learning topic. In this topic, you will learn about new features and improvements made in Sage 50 Accounting Release 2019.0. Release 2019.0 includes more totals and lists, security and compatibility updates that help keep your Sage 50 setup performing smoothly and reliably, and more. Let's take a look. Release 2019.0 includes more lists with totals, such as the quotes list and the purchase invoices list. These new list totals adjust based on the search and date range criteria you enter in the list, so that you can quickly find the information you need when you need it. For example, you can quickly find the total amount of purchase invoices entered during a certain period or for a specific vendor without having to filter a report. We'd like you to be aware of a couple of name changes to our products and services. Sage 1 is now Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This rebranding affects Sage 50C in the following ways. Sage 1 access points under the File menu and in the Cloud and Mobile Navigation Center have been renamed to Mobile Invoicing and Sage Business Cloud Accounting. The Sage 1 to Sage 50C Connection Wizard is now the Mobile Invoicing Connection Wizard. And all help resources and topics now reflect the new name. And Sage e-invoicing has now been renamed to Sage Invoice Payments. In Sage 50, the access point under Services has been renamed from e-invoicing to Invoice Payments. And various service provider sign-up wizards are now branded Sage Invoice Payments. To maintain Sage 50 data security with the latest Microsoft Windows updates, it's sometimes necessary to modify how the program is installed or configured. With Release 2019.0, we have optimized program security by moving some folders and files from the C:\/ Program Files x86 Common Files Peach folder to C:\/ Program Data / Sage Peachtree. This includes the main Sage 50 INI file and various program-related files. Release 2019.0 implements Microsoft's .NET 4.7.1 framework. .NET 4.7.1 builds on previous versions by adding many new fixes and several new features that improve on the performance and stability of Microsoft Windows and Sage 50. Finally, note that Microsoft has discontinued support for Microsoft Vista, and therefore no longer provides security and .NET updates for this operating system. Beginning with Release 2019.0, you will no longer be able to install Sage 50 on a computer running Microsoft Vista. This concludes our look at the new updates available in Release 2019.0 of Sage 50 and Sage 50 Cloud Accounting.